Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Cadillac ATS oil life. First, get into your vehicle and make sure the engine is completely off. Next, press the engine start-stop button 1 or 2 times without touching the brake pedal. This will power up your vehicle's electrical system and illuminate the dashboard, preparing it for the next steps. Now, direct your attention to the steering wheel. You'll find a set of directional buttons, often called a D-pad. Use the left or right arrow to cycle through the main menu options until you reach the column displaying various vehicle information. Then, scroll up or down using the arrows until you clearly see the oil life percentage displayed. Once the oil life percentage is clearly visible on your display, locate the Select button, usually found in the center of your steering wheel's directional pad. Press and hold this button firmly. Keep holding it for about 5 to 10 seconds. You should observe the oil life percentage on the screen reset, typically to 100%, confirming the reset. After releasing the Select button, verify that your oil life display now shows 100%. You can then start your engine to confirm that the Change Oil Soon message is no longer present. If for any reason the steering wheel method doesn't work, an alternative is to press the accelerator pedal to the floor 3 times within 5 seconds while the ignition is on but the engine is off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.